Hi guys, welcome to the Panama City Beach Library. We're going to be doing a craft today. This is our August, what's it called?
It's a glitter mosaic fish craft kit.
It's not as hard as our last craft, so we hope you guys come by and pick these up. It's really easy, really quick and fun to do.
It's really easy. It's a little time consuming. So this is the one that I made. What I really like about this is they come with, this is a piece of cardboard, and it comes with pre-printed circles on the mosaic board as a template. And then you've got all these glittery, shiny stickers that you take off and you can follow along with the template. But what I did was, I wanted to be a little fancy, and I made my own design. I had to make sure I had enough of the printed circles to put on here, but so mine doesn't look like exactly like this, but it was fun to do.
Now we'll start making our own fishes for you guys, so you can have an idea of what you're getting yourself into. So have you ever been fishing?
I have been deep sea fishing and lake fishing.
Was the deep sea fishing on a charter fishing boat?
It was in out of Ocean City, New Jersey. We would go every summer to Ocean City, and on a night we'd take like a dusk trip and go deep sea fishing. It was so much fun.
Awesome. Yeah, we've done that a few times. Did you get to keep the fish you caught?
I was gonna say, did you catch anything?
Ooh, yeah. We went for a family reunion, and so we had like 20 people on one boat.
Oh.
And we actually ate what we caught as the dinner for that night. So we took it straight home and fried it all up and had fish and grits.
Oh, that sounds really good.
It was great. I only caught like 2 or 3 though.
But if everyone caught 2 or 3,
Yeah.
see how many fish that would be.
It's a lot of fish.
That is a lot of fish. And it's mostly for the experience of it, don't you think?
I think so, yeah. It's that excitement of pulling in a fish.
But the water is so different here than in New Jersey.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. How's it different?
Well, it's much more calm here. And of course, different fish.
Yeah.
But I think I like deep sea fishing the best.
Yeah. I do too. Me and Mom used to go to the marina in Panama City, and we enjoyed the experience of just kind of sitting out when it was afternoon or dusk and enjoying the sea breeze and the water. But I got really impatient because we never caught anything. It's funny, every time I go out thinking I'm gonna catch something, she would be the one who ends up catching it. But when you go charter fishing, they have the radars and
Yeah.
all the fancy tech so that you don't really have to guess if you're gonna. What did you guys fish for when you went deep sea fishing?
I don't even know.
Didn't know? Because like here, the craze is like a grouper or a red snapper. Those are like the two you really want to catch when you're out.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Do they make sure that they go to the places where that's where they are?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And what are the tiny fish that swim in the little waves at the beach?
Oh, it depends. There's all kinds of bait fish. Usually the ones that look kind of like shimmery, almost like coins.
Yeah.
I think they're actually called silverfish or sliverfish, something of that
Oh, okay.
sounding.
Yeah, those are shimmery.
Yeah.
I like that the fish matches my outfit.
Yeah. There you go.
I like that. Nice and bright.
If we make you 2 of them, you can like wear them for earrings or
That's
something.
it. And last one.
Ta-da! Oh, we
You
have
have
to
to
tie.
put your hanger on.
Yep.
I put my hanger on early.
Just do a little loop-de-loop.
Oh, I like how you did yours.
Thanks.
Okay. See, so we finished ours, but they're different
Yep.
than each other.
Everybody's will be different.
And there you go. There's your take and make for August.
Nice.
Good job.
Now we get to clean up the glitter. Thank you for participating in our August Take and Make craft for the library. Is this our last craft?
It isn't. We are not going to be having any in-person programming for the rest of the calendar year. So the September Take and Make will be an apple magnet craft that we'll give out to everybody.
Even though the library itself is closed right now, we still have a really fun curbside option for those of you who still want to check out books. We have a cool collection here, like this one, the Rainbow Fish. It's pretty on topic for our craft as well. So feel free to put these on hold, and you can come to the library and pick them up curbside.
And I wanted to be sure to let everybody know that these kits were sponsored by the Panama City Beach Library Foundation.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day.